Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we have another St. Patrick's Day craft, sharing with you how to make this cute leprechaun hat. This fun DIY will have your dolls looking festive and feeling lucky just in time for the celebrations. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and share to help our channel grow. So, let's get making! You will need a cup, saucer and sheets of coloured felt. Start by making a simple hat pattern. Place your saucer on a piece of computer paper and trace around it. Fold the paper in half, matching up the curves of your circle. Now take a cup that is about the same circumference as your doll's head. Position your cup on the fold line and trace a half circle. Cut out the larger circle, then fold your paper into quarters to cut out the centre. Now you have the pattern pieces for the crown and brim. Cut these shapes from green felt. You will also need a strip of green felt for the side. Clip 1 cm tabs along one of the long sides. This will help us out later. Next, match the centre point of the crown piece with the centre point of the side that is not clipped. Pin together, then continue pinning to form the top of the bucket hat. Hand or machine stitch. Also sew the side piece closed. Turn your hat right side out. Take a strip of black felt 30 by 3 cm and pin slightly above the clipped edge. For the buckle detail, we cut a square of bright yellow felt. Place centre front. Adhere to the hat, sewing along both the top and bottom edges of the black felt. Slip the bucket-shaped piece of your hat into the opening of the brim. Fold the tabs over and pin to the underside of the brim. Sew together, checking the good side of the brim sits just below your black felt strip. Trim away the excess felt for a neat finish. Test fit on your doll. Our leprechaun hat is looking good, but let's take it even further. Drape a piece of orange felt over the doll's face so it wraps from the right to left temple. Mark just below your doll's nose and again at the sternum. Also mark the tips of your doll's ears. Using these reference points, sketch out a wavy line as seen on screen. Fold your felt in half and cut along the curves. Now connect the tick marks from the nose to the temple. Cut this part away. Open up and you have a beard. Fit on your doll, pinning the tops of the beard to the inside of the hat. Hand or machine stitch into place. As a finishing flourish, we took a green pipe cleaner to make a shamrock. Leave a 3 cm tail, then bend the wire to make a heart shape. Twist the tail to lock the shape. Repeat to make more loops for a heart. This time, twist and lock with the longer stem before making a third heart that connects to the small tail. Glue or pin to the side of your hat. Our doll DJ looks adorable in his new leprechaun hat, complete with beard and shamrock. If you haven't already, subscribe to Always Dolls and hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. We wish you a wonderful St. Patrick's Day and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.